In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to make text bigger on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, increase text size across your entire device. Open your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option accessibility. Now navigate to the option display and text size. Click on the option larger text. Now enable for the option larger accessibility sizes. Now at the bottom, you're going to find this slider. You can just slide to the right and the text size will increase. This will make text larger in messages, mail, settings, and almost every app. The second method allows you to make text bigger only in specific apps. For that, open your control center. Here you're going to find this text icon. Click on that. Now from here as well, you can easily increase the text size. Now when you are inside an app like Messages, open the control center again. Press and hold the text size icon and choose either this app only or all apps. Adjust the slider to make the text as large as you want. And it will affect only that app if you selected the single app option. And that's it. Your text is now easier to read. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.